So Craig was wondering how I built this out of how I built it and when I built it. So I built it from scratch. I had the steel I had up in Placerville, which was this I-beam down here, and then the other pieces of steel, which was scrap I had lying up there. All of it was just pieces I had lying around. So yes, it was built from just my head.
Imagination.
Imagination. And I'm going to, yes, Craig, get a mill all that wood up in Placerville. So I didn't want to make it a gas engine, so I made it electric, and then machined out all the parts I needed, which are over here, to drive a chainsaw bar, which is 36 inches. This is the oiler. It also has a water injection on it, which just hooks up to a hose, and that squirt helps cool the blade as it goes through the logs. The chain is a ripper chain, which is designed to go along the grain. I adjust the height with this, which is just a big chunk of all thread I got, and I can wind up the height up and down really accurately. It rolls on some Chinese wheels, and then I designed it so it runs up and down on the wheels along the I-beam. It's locked to the I-beam through this bracket down here, and on the other side over here there's another adjustment which pulls it tight down, which is another one of these wheels down here with an adjustment so that it holds it tight to the I-beam so it can't jump around. This here was an old part off one of my trailers for the boats. Actually, the boat that we sailed, the Ultimate 20/redesign boat. So that just helps pull it through the log, so you're not trying to push it, so it gives you a better consistent pull on as it goes through. In here is a height scale, which was just a ruler that I had lying around, and then down here there's a gauge down here so you can set the height, and so you can adjust your cuts. So it'll do about a 33-inch wide log. Hang on. There's two ways I can do this. If the log is a big log, these all come off, and I can lower it down a lot lower, so I can start cutting a bigger log down on the lower platforms. So these actually will pull off and come out of the way. So once I've got it down to a decent size, I can put them back, lift the log back up, put it back down. These are the dogs to lock the log in place. So they're basically just a big clamp that comes alongside it. These here are these are set at exactly 90 degrees. So once you've cut one face, you rest the other face, the face you just cut, up against here, and then you can cut the next cut is a 90-degree cut along the bed. They drop out of the way if you don't need them. This here is to help support the end of the bar because it's 36 inches long, and this helps make sure that the bar doesn't move around too much, and which it doesn't. And if you look over there, they're the offcuts of the log we did the other day, which was the first log through it. So we can do a 15-foot
Moose
log.
says hi.
Shut up, Moose. And as you can see, it's on wheels, so it'll actually roll up onto my big trailer, so I can take it back up to Placerville when I want to do the logs up there. So anyway, that's what you have. It took me about 2 weeks on and off to build it. And being electrically powered makes it a lot quieter. So this is the on and off switches here. plug in. It runs on, it's 240 volts. And it's a 5 horsepower motor, which is plenty big enough to drive this bar. So we did, the log we put through the other day was a piece of the black locust, and so we used that piece we cut as the test piece to make sure everything worked, and that stuff is tough to cut. So this did it without any problems. So the other stuff I got is the sugar pine up in Placerville. Shut up. Yeah. Shut up.
It never works. You must know. You're doing a video.
So anyway, the next step is we're going to take it up to Placerville and start machining the logs up there into planks. So Jeff is kind of excited to come and help me with that as well. So yeah, so anyway, that's it. And so we're going to cut all those logs up. So we'll send this off to you so you can kind of get a better look at it. We'll hopefully talk to you guys soon. See ya.